Hey, what's up guys? We are back with another video, and this time we're wrenching on the EP3. Gonna get ready for Laguna Seca Sunday, February 28th. We and the homies are gonna hit the track. There was some stuff that I needed to get ready on the EP3. I had some issues last time with like you guys are probably already heard, with the rear sway bar. The end links were broken, so the rear sway bar was completely just loose. It wasn't doing anything in the rear. I found a Progress 24 mil and tie bar with spherical end links for pretty cheap. Picked that up. So we're gonna be installing it on the EP3. So let's get to it. So I already got the car lifted off the ground. I let I don't borrow my jack stand, so this is what I'm working with right now. As you can see, this is why I was having some issues at the track. I had noticed that the right side end link was damaged, but also the left side is damaged. See right there, completely broken off, and you can just literally just move the rear sway bar just like that. So it wasn't doing anything. So yeah, now that I'm gonna install this upgraded sway bar, let's see how this goes. Let's get to it. So now that we got the rear Progress sway bar installed, did run into some issues with not having enough clearance. The rear sway bar is too thick, or it does come in interference with the stock muffler. So I took off the muffler for now, the axle back, to figure out what I'm gonna do for the muffler situation and go from there. But we got that installed. Almost getting close to having everything installed. I just gotta install this end link on this side and we should be good to go. Some hinge joint ones out with the old and with the new. Check these out.
And this is where you were running at the track, huh, Primo?
Yeah, that on both sides. See, here's the
other ends.
These feel dry too. Like if there's no grease from the factory, and this feels like plastic.
It looks like plastic,
huh?
Probably they were aftermarket.
Yeah. But hopefully they should take care of it. But we did run into some issues. This kit is for a 2002 to 03, and mine's an 04. So did have to take off the muffler for fitment issues. That muffler is too thick.
At least from here to here, too thick, so it actually rubs right here, no?
Yeah,
towards the end.
Need at least like a good 2 to 3 inches of
probably like this much, huh?
Yeah, for it to clear that sway bar.
So what's the What do you think we're gonna do?
So probably gonna have to come up with something, modify, because I still have all the stock exhaust except for the headers, but probably just gonna have to either buy a different exhaust to something that's thicker piping, and then come up with something that looks OEM and still not loud, just because it is a daily. And if we take it to the track, we'll be able to pass the decibel, at least for Laguna, so we don't have to be making no Laguna pipe or
Thanks a lot, residents of
Salinas
/ Monterey, Carmel. Y'all had to buy your houses around the damn track and then bitch about it.
So yeah, we're gonna have to come up with something with that for the exhaust. I want to keep it for it to look somewhat like OEM still, because I like the dual tip thing. So we'll see. I'll think of something. Try to find like an aftermarket. I don't know. I think there's like Magnaflow makes like a high flow muffler that's quiet. So I'll probably have to put that one in. I'll see. I'll figure it out. Got some more goodies. Got a short shifter adapter from K-Tune for the EP3. I'm gonna basically rebuild the whole shifter, see if it makes a difference. I don't know. And I got some more stuff. Oh, this is the tire.
Oh, that thing you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh,
It's gonna get technical this time, huh?
yep. Just to see some numbers, see where we're at. See, this is brand new. It looks brand new. Yeah. See,
Oh shit.
might need batteries.
Mhm.
Yeah, probably needs batteries. And then Simon, it even comes with a little pouch to put it in there. But basically, with this, you connect this, and it has this little needle, and you probe your tire all the way to where this is flush to your outside tread, so that you can check the inside temperature of your tire, not the outside. So you can see if your tire is completely having contact on the ground, if you're not too negative or too positive on your camber. I don't know, just thought for shits and giggles. I found that it was pretty cheap, like $35 instead of paying like $200 for a cheap one.
Mhm.
This old school one. See if it works when we go to the track. What else? Okay. So here's the other.
For the shifter?
Yeah, it's also for the shifter. So basically replacing all the plastic pieces from the shifter. So I bought the whole little kit. Comes with new shifter cable bushings, solid ones. Shifter assembly, solid mounts.
Oh, okay.
Little solid mount bushings, and then the actual short shifter adapter, where they move it up, I guess, a little bit. It's a little cheap brand, but that's all I could find, just to replace the plastic parts and now having metal parts.
That with the D10 springs?
Yep, with the D10 springs that I already put on.
Oh, you already put on the gear shifter like the springs too, right?
Yeah, I already put those on too. Oh, this is the other vinyl I got. Oh, this is too shiny. I didn't know which one to get, and I got both of them.
Oh, okay.
The other one and this one, but it's too sparkly.
Razzle dazzle.
Yeah, this is good for him. All right.
Cool.
Let's go for a test
drive.
Seems to be okay. Didn't hear no loose parts, so that's good. That little muffler delete doesn't sound too bad. But yeah, I think it feels solid. I think the wheel setup that I have does make a big difference though, to these 16s with the stock tires and all that. I think just doing that short shifter stuff, and then I think I'm gonna stop there. I'm not gonna do anything crazy to it. I think that should be it.
Brake lines?
Oh yeah, damn, I haven't forgot about that. Yeah, I'm gonna do the brakes and the brake lines, to have better brakes than what I have now. I even just heard them squeaking right now too. First time squeaking. But yeah, just do brakes, brake fluid, brake lines, and then the short shifter stuff, and then I think that should be good for the track. I'm about to sneeze. No? Oh. Alright. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that should be it for the track, so now wait for the other guys.
Alright, bro. See you later or what?
That's it. We'll end it here. Catch you guys on another video. Stay tuned.